Welcome to How to Draw. Today we are gonna let you know that how you can easily change small capital letters into small letters. As you can check out, hello, and these all the things are written over here are on the capital letters. But if we think about that, or if we want to change these into small letters, we think that we have to all type it out. But keep in mind, we don't have to do much more for changing these into sentence cases or into small letters. How we can do so and what the process? If you have any written document or PDF or anything, you have to just take it into the Word file. As you can check in, it's a Word, and after that you have to just select all the content and go to this option over here into main section, that is called change case. As you can check out, this is change case. When you click on this, if you want to make your every sentence first letter into capital and others should be in small, you can choose from over here. And if you want to make all of the sentences or all of the words into lower, then you can choose this. As you can check out, when I click on this, and voila, this all has been changed into the small letters. And many many writing errors are over here by just speaking over here. As you can check out, this is it. Hope you understand that how you can easily change the capital letters into small letters. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe if we have helped you out.